Hello, this is Rory with the Love Chat, and today's topic is try again, fail better. Now, this is video number 105. If you have a question you'd like for me to consider featuring on the channel, please write it in a comment below. And if you enjoy these videos, please subscribe and hit like. Also, if you'd like to do a Skype or email coaching, be sure to visit my website, thelovechat.net/coaching. Now then, this topic is something that's very near and dear to me. And the quote is from Samuel Beckett. Try again, fail better. The whole idea behind this topic is that there's no such thing as a life without their failure and without their struggle. And these ideas are what cause us to rise above the failure and the struggle. And so I encourage everybody to think about this as it relates to breakups, as it relates to dating, or meeting new people, or just even making a new friend. The very simple truth is, at the end of the day, we are all going to fail at some point. It's normal, and it's natural, and I never have taken the mind that we should be afraid of failure. Failure should be celebrated. Failure means that's one less failure out of the way until you reach your final success. And so perhaps, let's use an example. After the time of the breakup, you want your ex back. You are now hitting the gym. You are focusing on healthy eating. You're trying to catch up with old friends you haven't seen in a while. Things like that we talk about. You're going to come across a ton of failures on your way there. For example, maybe you'll be a little too depressed to get out of bed and go to the gym. So today you failed. But tomorrow you do better. Try again. And eventually, somewhere down that line, you will fail at eating healthy, or seeing an old friend, or no contact. Maybe you'll reach out to your ex. You fail again. But every time that you try again, you are one step ahead of the people who did not try again, of the people who gave up and did not go back to the gym, or did not restart no contact, or eat healthy, or go out with friends, or who tried to score a little higher on that exam. Try again. And eventually down the line, you'll fail again. But you'll fail better than the last time. The truth is that we all have to get up off of our asses. We need to all stop feeling sorry for ourselves, and we need to do the work. We need to stop fantasizing about getting our ex back, and we need to stop replacing the addiction of getting our ex back for the addiction of plotting to get them back. No, now is the time for personal work. Now is the time to take care of all of those things that you've been ignoring. And I urge everybody not to focus just on the tangible stuff. Don't just focus on the size of your muscles. Don't just focus on the number of friends that you have. Focus on the internal stuff too. Are you happy? Are you feeling okay? Have you been ignoring your mental health? And in your worst moments, you need to double your efforts. In the moments where you think you're going to contact your ex and nobody's available to talk you out of it, you double your efforts. You double your improvement. Try again. And accept the fact that along the way, you're going to fail. Fail again. But the fact that you got back up to try again means in the future when you fail, you'll fail better. And you can't wait to fail one more time, because that means all the other failures that you've had are building up to one big, great success. Don't wish for a life without struggle. Don't wish for a life without failure. That's completely backwards. No, instead wish for a life where you're struggling well. Wish for a life where you're failing well and learning what you need to learn to become your best self. That's all I had for today. If you found my video helpful, I'd be very grateful if you would subscribe and hit like. Please leave a comment below and tell me what you thought of this topic and what topics you want me to cover in the future. Additionally, if you'd like extra videos every week, private live streams with me, and a ton of extra other perks, just visit my Patreon, patreon.com/thelovechat. Until next time.